Welcome to Blooming Rose Academy. Today is lecture 5th of class 9th. Today we will talk about numericals based on velocity, speed and average velocity. Here 4 numericals are shown in the board. You can see that first numerical is a scooter covers a distance of 3 km in 5 minutes. Calculates its speed in centimeter per second, in meter per second and in kilometer per hour. So now first part of numerical first. Here we have distance is equal to 3 kilometer, which equals to 3000 meters. 3 into 1000 equals 3000 meter. Now 3000 into 100, now it will become 3 lakhs centimeter. Now we have time in minute. Time is equal to 5 minutes. Now 5 into 60 equals 300 seconds. Now speed is equal to distance upon time. Then distance is equal to 3 lakh upon 300. So we have speed 1000 centimeter per second. Now second part. Here for second part we have to calculate speed in meter per second. So 3 kilometer becomes 3000 meter. Now time will be same, 300 seconds. Then speed is equal to distance 3000 meter upon 300 second. Then it will be 100 meter per second. Sorry, it is 10 meter per second. Now the third part will be, now in third part see, we have to calculate speed in kilometer per hour. So here distance is in kilometer, so 3 kilometer. Time is in minute, so we change time in hours. Then 5 upon 60 is equal to 1 upon 12 hours. Then speed is equal to distance 3 upon 1 upon 12 equals 3 into 12, which is equal to 36, which is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. Now क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में देख रहे हैं हम, यहाँ पे क्या दिया हमें, इस डिस्टेंस जो दिया हुआ है, डिस्टेंस d1 है 120 किलोमीटर एंड टाइम t1 इज इक्वल टू 3 आवर्स एंड फॉर ट्रेन बी इट इज फॉर ट्रेन ए फॉर ट्रेन बी डिस्टेंस d2 is equal to 180 kilometer and time t2 is equal to 4 hours. We have to calculate which train traveled faster. Then we calculate individually the speed of both trains A and B. For train A, speed is equal to distance upon time and it will be 120 upon 3 kilometer per hour, means 40 kilometer per hour. For train B, it will be speed is equal to d2 upon t2 and it's equal 180 upon 4 kilometer per hour. Then it will be, when we divide it, it will become 45 kilometer per hour. Here we can see that for train B speed is 45 kilometer per hour, while for train A it is 40 kilometer per hour. So train B travels show train B traveled faster than train A. Now we will solve numerical 3. Here a car travels a distance of 200 km from Delhi to Ambala and towards north in 5 hours. Calculates its speed and also velocity. So here distance is equal to 200 km and time is equal to 5 hours. Then speed is equal to distance upon time. It will be 200 km upon 5 hour, then it will become 40 km per hour. 5 4 ja 20, then it will 40 km per hour. Here for displacement is equal to also 200 km in north direction and time equals 5 hours. Then velocity will be displacement upon time, and it will be 200 upon 5 means 40 km per hour in north direction. Here students, you can see that only difference is of direction, which difference creates in velocity and speed. It is a vector quantity and this one is a scalar quantity. So 40 km per hour is speed and 40 km per hour in north direction is displacement of is velocity of the car. So after this, next topics will be talk in next session or next lecture. So thank you for class.